All right, so today we're going to do a Desmos activity. So I will explain to you how to get there in just a moment, but I'm going to show you a little bit here. You're going to have to read as you go through this stuff. You are going to have, let's see, I'm going to preview you here. So for instance here, this is what your first screen is going to look like. These little arrows up here are what you can click to the next slides on. Know that I can see your responses and I can see what you're doing and I can see what you're skipping and whatnot. So it says drag each point and observe how the graph changes, then describe the effect of each of these points, purple, green, and orange. It's like when you drag the purple one, what happens? When you drag the orange one, when you drag the green one, that sort of thing. Okay, and so you have to describe them. Purple does this, green does this, and you need to use like real words that go with trig stuff, like the amplitude and the period and things like that. Okay, so you can use your notes if you need some of those words, and then you're going to click through as you go through this. Okay, once I give you the code and you go there. You're going to have an option to sign in with Google, create an account, or continue without signing in. I would not continue without signing in if I were you, because if your tablet restarts or something in the middle, you're starting from the beginning. Okay, so make sure that you can sign in with Google, and if you don't have a Google account, you can use your district Google account. You just put in your district stuff, or you can create an account. I don't care. I just wouldn't do the not signing in part because that might be bad for you. All right, and so you're going to go through these. It's asking you questions about the trig graphs, and make sure you're using the terminology that you need to use and whatnot. Does that make sense? And if you're watching the video, then the code is going to be on the next thing you're supposed to look at in Schoology.